Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to install a free VPN on your Redmi Note 11 device. First, I have to tell you that a free VPN is not too safe. It is not safe to work with or view banned content, because a free VPN doesn't protect your private data. So let's get started. As you can see, 2IP.io shows that I am in Poland now. But now I'll open Play Store and install Turbo VPN. It's free VPN. Open it, find it, open and install. Open application, choose Start Now, choose the cross on the right top corner, and cool. Now in the top right corner of the screen there is a globe, and by clicking on it you can choose which country to connect to, or press connect button to connect to fastest server. And cool. Now in control panel, in notification panel, you'll see this message that VPN connected successfully. And now open 2IP.io and try to reload this page. And as you can see, I'm in United States now. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.